Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Sixpad Vacuum Cleaner, a sleek cordless vacuum sold on sixpad.uk. It claims advanced features like infrared dust detection, foldable design, and deep suction power. But is this futuristic cleaner or not? Let's find out. At Euro 179.99, it is pitched as a massive discount from its original price. It boasts a 450-watt motor, removable battery, and smart speed control. But here is the catch. There is no real evidence that it works as advertised. There are no verified reviews on trusted platforms. Many buyers report delays, broken products, or delivery error. The site offers no phone support, only a vague email, plus the product photos and text specifications seems copied from generic listing found in Alibaba. The marketing is loaded with countdowns and urgency. Classic tactic used on scam or drop shipping sites. Here is the bottom line. The six-pad vacuum cleaner sound advanced, but there are some red flags you need to consider. If you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.